Hi, I'm Miss Caitlin. Welcome to this edition of Snack Attack. Today we're going to make bubble tea, also known as boba tea. It's a drink that was made popular in Taiwan in the 1980s, and there are about 1 billion varieties. But I'm going to show you how to make arguably the most classic version. So for this, you will need tea bags and water to brew tea. I've already done that ahead of time. Milk, any kind you like, any amount that you like, it depends on your taste. Some tapioca pearls, which I got on Amazon, but you can get at any Oriental supermarket or anything along those lines. Water, and then some sweetener to your taste. I'm using simple syrup just because it mixes easily, but honey or regular sugar would work just fine. So in addition to that, we're gonna need a mug, a spoon, a tall glass, and a super wide straw. So first things first, we're going to pour this 3/4 cup of water into this mug. And we're gonna microwave it for 3 minutes. It's a really long time and it's gonna be really, really hot. So be careful. Okay. It's really hot, so we're gonna be careful. Okay, now we're gonna pour our 1/4 cup of tapioca pearls into the cup. Give it a quick stir. And put it back in the microwave. For another minute. Okay, so now that we've microwaved the water with our tapioca pearls in it, we're gonna take it out and we're just gonna cover the cup for about a minute and let them finish cooking. Okay, so like I said before, I pre-brewed this tea. Any variety of black tea will do, as long as you're brewing it double strength. So this is 1 cup of water that I use 2 bags of tea to brew with it. If you're not brewing it double strength, you're not going to get as much tea flavor when you pour in all of your milk and sugar and tapioca pearls. All right. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I can see that my tapioca pearls are soft and ready to go. I just have to go and drain them, rinse them, and then we will add our simple syrup to the top, okay? See you in just a second. Okay, so I have drained them, rinsed them, and I poured in a little bit of simple syrup to make them kind of sweet. All that's left is to assemble our drink. So first, I'm gonna pour my tapioca pearls into the bottom of the cup. You can see them. Then I'm going to add my tea. And then my milk. Like I said, you're gonna wanna put it to as much taste as you like. Since I already sweetened the pearls, I'm not gonna add any additional sweetener to this, but if you'd like to, you're welcome to. And I'm just gonna give it another quick stir. Add the straw, and you're ready to go. See you next time.